Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Instacart badges not showing up. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your app store and then tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now once you're here, tap on the search bar and then type in Instacart. Now once it loads, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But for some reason, if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head back to your home screen, then tap on your settings. Now once you're inside settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Now once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage. Now once you're inside your iPhone storage, scroll down until you find the Instacart app and then tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you'll be provided with two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app that might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once that process is done, all you gotta do is go back and then try again, and that will fix your issue. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.